Is it a storm?
That's no storm.
It's plastic. Mum.
Oh my God. Turn the car around. Turn it around. Get us out of here.
It's happening everywhere all at once. The plastic's coming out the oceans into our cities.
It's not just the oceans. It's coming out the Thames, out the Nile, the Hudson.
Lock down the building. Get everyone to the lower levels.
As you can. Come on. Come on, move it. Stop and look.
Keep going. Barkley, we need to leave right now. Come on.
No!
You have to stop!
We are cleaning up your mess.